Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Maricel Alawigan, 39 years old. I am married and I have 2 children, 17 and 13 ages. I am from Isabela, Philippines, and I have working experience in Hong Kong for 1 year and 20 days. I am serving 3 persons, 1 couple and 1 kids. 7 years old boy, and also 1 pet dog. My main duty, cleaning the house, washing plate, wash the clothes, and cooking, and going market. Also, I'm going also in the school with the kids and picking up every finish their classes. Ma'am, sir, I am hardworking, trustworthy, and honest, also polite. If you give me a chance to work to your family, I will promise I will do my best and I will do my best and I will work to your family until you need me. Thank you, ma'am, and God bless.